Mountain West Windows and Doors has been around for decades in the Valley and in the state of Arizona. We are very excited to announce that we are now a Marvin Design Gallery dealer servicing all 4 locations that we have throughout Arizona. We chose Marvin really because of their reputation in the building community. Whether you're a builder, architect, designer, they are known as one of the best in the business. They've been around for over 110 years. They're based out of Warroad, Minnesota, and they're ran by 4th and 5th generation family members of the company that have done just a great job with the culture and the reputation of the product. And ultimately, that's why we partner with them, because they're just such great people with such a great quality product. Marvin's designs and techniques are really different than most manufacturers. They don't make a vinyl window, and that is intentional. They also are not sold in big box stores. They are a premium brand with very high quality standards. They start with a fiberglass product. They also have their wood clad, and then they have a fiberglass aluminum product called Modern, which will be great for a lot of the custom home builds that we see throughout Arizona with large expanses of glass, big multi-slide doors, things like that. They also have smart home technology to integrate into your smart home system, whether it's your alarm or just being able to look on your phone and see if your windows are open and closed or locked. We also have the best glass on the market that we're selling to keep out the UV light, to keep out the heat from coming into the home, and also for the couple months in Arizona where it is cold outside, it keeps the heat inside your home as well. Marvin does offer a wide variety of different door solutions for your home as well. Again, whether you're replacing or remodeling, they've got French doors, sliding doors, large contemporary doors, and we're very excited to be able to bring that to the Valley. One of the things that makes Mountain West different is the amount of experience that we have on our team. We have got over 150 employees throughout Arizona and Utah, and we've got some service technicians with 20, 30 years experience in the business, and you just don't find that in other places. We've got some of the best warranties in the industry, whether it's on the product itself or the installation, and we're going to take very good care of your home. We're going to take very good care of your product when it comes to delivery and installation, and if anything goes wrong, we're going to be there to help you afterwards. We realize that most people don't replace windows and doors every day. Usually it's only a couple times in their life, if at all. So it's very foreign for people, and they can be intimidated and they're not sure of what to do or where to start. But really all you need to do is you can go online or you can give us a call. You can set up your in-home consultation. It's free of charge. We're going to come into your house. We're going to do a full consultation. If you're building a new home, you can also contact us. We'll create a proposal for you, and you'll be able to know going into it exactly what the expectation is and what products are going to be ordered for you, so that it's exactly how you want it come installation day for your home. For more information, you can find us online, you can look us up on our social media, or visit any of our showroom locations throughout the state.